Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to change ink cartridges in an Epson WP-4535. Now this is nice and simple and can be done directly from the printer without needing to involve the attached PC or laptop. So, first thing we need to do is open the door on the front of the printer, which is found directly above the logo. Just put your finger in there, you lower it down. Your printer will start beeping, just warning you that that door's come open. There's nothing to worry about. Now, the cartridges inside don't actually move. The ink cartridge cradle that kind of dispenses the ink is down there, zips back and forth, but it's got tubes connected, so you don't need to worry about this bit suddenly shifting along like it will do in some printers. And when it comes to changing the cartridges, you just push down on whichever cartridge it is you'd like to remove. You hear a click, then it'll come out slightly further than the other cartridges. Now, if you press down on the wrong cartridge by accident, don't panic if it doesn't go back in. You see there, it needs to come all the way out and then back in before it'll click back into place. So I've had customers before get concerned that their cartridges wouldn't go back in. But just click on the cartridge you do want to remove. When it comes loose, just take your replacement cartridge, remove any protective packaging. You're normally okay with that on these ones. Any kind of films get pierced automatically by the printer as they go in, but obviously it'll vary from brand to brand. Slide it back in, press down, you hear that click, and you know it's in when it's sat flush with the rest of the cartridges. Now just repeat this for any other cartridges you wish to replace before closing up the lid of the printer, so your printer can then start taking a look at them and making sure it's happy with whatever you've installed. The checking ink cartridges message is pretty normal, and it's just your printer making sure it can read the chips on the cartridge and make sure you're okay before you continue printing. Now, I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let us know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, drop it down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.